So we're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing a Bradford White 50-gallon water heater, natural gas. You can see right here is the model number, serial number. So you can go to bradfordwhite.com, give them the model number, serial number, fill it out, get your warranty going on this product. To start, up top, we've got a brand new shutoff valve. So that's a Watts 3/4 inch full port quarter turn ball valve, just quarter turn on, quarter turn off. We like to put those on all new water heater installations. In front of that, we got a little brass nipple. We like to go to brass. The home is iron pipe, but iron pipe breaks down, doesn't flow very well. So pure brass, it flows great forever. Down to stainless steel connector. So these are Falcon stainless steel. This is a 3/4 by 18. These are the largest in the industry. They're very expensive. You can see how large a diameter these are. It's a .725 inside. And so it's almost a full 3/4 inch, and nothing flows as well as these. So we've been using these a while. We like them. We keep using them. Down here at the tank, we have a little 3/4 brass extension. It gets us up off the heat trap that's up on top. There's a little plastic heat trap that sits up on top of this nipple stubbed out. And this is a better seat for our supply line. So we just put brass. So brass, stainless steel, all great construction. You can see we gave you a little bit of venting here. We were going to give you a vent all the way through the roof, but that is fused in place. We don't want to mess with it. It's probably up into an old asbestos stack that goes through the roof. So we don't want to bother any of that up there. So we just tied in right here, gave you some new fittings down to the water heater. Draft fitter came with it. Relief line came with it. We piped it over to existing stub right here. Got it tied into their Falcon stainless steel connector. Out here we did a little work out here because the 90 was buried in the stucco. And so anytime it was activated or if it was leaking, it was soaking the stucco. And as you know, or maybe you don't know, stucco is not a waterproof barrier. Water soaks into it. The only thing that keeps it from penetrating further is building paper, whatever you've got on the building side, which is behind stucco. But this is porous. It goes right through. So every time you activate this, it just floods the stucco. And then, of course, there was some damage in the room from previously. So we just got that stubbed out a little bit further. A little PVC stub down there, a little splash block to keep it diverting away from the house. So that's out there. Upper third, we've got an adjustable strap as per code. Lower third, adjustable strap as per code. Over here, we just took the gas line apart and stubbed it out this way. It was kind of in a funky position. So brand new gas shutoff valve, brand new corrugated stainless steel connector. It's got a nice coating on there. And then, of course, this is your controller. It's already lit. As you can see right here, scalding risk increases with hotter water. Already went over this with the homeowner. You can see it's set to hot, which is approximately 120. A130, B140, C150, very hot 160 at B140, 30 degree burns in 3 seconds. So be mindful of this. We have to leave it here for liability purposes and document it. So if there's something going on in the home, let us know. If it's a hot water issue, there could be something outside of the water heater. Plus, this is brand new. You're not going to have any trouble. So it more than likely be the fixture in the home. So everything in here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.